everybody, how you guys doing? This is Yvonne and I'm here today to share with you how I made this card, and it's a little different but yet very sweet, and it fits into a regular envelope and mails as a regular postage stamp. So if you want to make something different other than your regular one fold card, stick around because I'm going to show you how easy it is to make this. So let's get started. In order to do this, you're going to need a piece of cardstock measuring 4.5 inches by 11 inches. So 4.5 inches up and down and 11 inches across. Then what you'll do is you will fold it in half. So you are going to score it at 5.5. Then what you do is you will cut off a piece that will measure 3 inches by, I forgot already. You're going to cut off a piece which is 2 2/8 and the whole length. So 2 2/8 wide. So in other words, this is your piece of cardstock. This would be on the edge here. So you have an 11-inch card folded in two. Then you're going to cut this piece off at 2 2/8 by the long end, the short end here. And then what you're going to do is you're going to put this piece aside because you're going to need that piece. And this is going to become your piece that cuts across here. So another piece that you're going to need is this piece here. And again, this all comes off of a one-piece cardstock. And this is 10 inches by 3 1/4 inches. 10 inches long, 3 1/4 folded in half, which becomes this piece. This piece will become your piece for the inside, like this, and the other piece will fit on top. It's that easy. It's not hard whatsoever. And then what you do is you'll cut off whatever piece of designer paper that you want. I chose the, I forget what it is, Wonder something, or it's Underseas from Stampin' Up! Anyway. I thought it was very, very pretty. I put the turtles, and I put wishing you a sunny day, and relax because you deserve it. Isn't that pretty? That is so stinking cute. And then all I did here was fussy cut one of the turtles, and I added it inside, and it's turned out to be such a sweet card. So together, let's put this one together so you can see, have a visual of what I mean about putting it together. So I cut out a piece of cardstock to fit on the top, not designer paper, to fit on the top. It's the same type of paper, but you can use whatever paper you have. You don't need to have exactly what I have. But if you do, it is by Stampin' Up! And this is 4 1/4 by 1 3/4. And then all you're going to do is you're going to add this to the front of your piece right here, like that. And then make sure that it's the right side that you like. And then I'm going to put it this way. So then I'm going to add some more adhesive tape right here. And it is going to go across in the center of this piece here. Like that. It's as simple as that. That easy. And on this one here, I've pre-cut a piece of cardstock, and this is going to go by the inside like this. You're not going to open this one this way, although you could. You're not going to open it this way. You're going to open it the reverse way, this way. So, but I make sure that you put your designer paper on the right side. So I'm going to add this piece, and this piece is 3 inches by 4 3/4. So I'm going to add this on the bottom like this. Can you see it coming together? It's so simple, but yet it looks like you've put so many hours into a card. Then I had this other piece that I've already fussy cut for other projects, and I fussy cut a whale down, and I thought I would add it into the water. Now you could add anything you wanted to in the water, or nothing at all, or you could put a sentiment. It really doesn't matter, but I kind of like that idea. So all I'm going to do at this point is I'm going to glue it inside here. So remember to add it the right side, and you're going to line it up just before the crease, and you're going to add it in the center like that. Just as simple as that. So when you open up your card, so you see here, when you open up your card, this is what you end. This is my card. Sorry for being off camera here. My arms are too long. This is what you end up with. So all I did here is cut up a piece of white cardstock, and I cut it the same size as this one, which was 4 3/4 by 4 3/4 by 3 1/4. And I cut out a white piece, and I added it inside like I did here. And I added another piece on the other side, but it doesn't, you don't need to put that extra side. And then I just grabbed onto some of my stamps. Any stamps that you have will work, but I grabbed onto this one here, which is a beach theme one. And on this one here, I think I'm going to put, "Don't worry, beach happy." And then inside I'm going to push, "Wishing you sunny days." So you can put whatever you want, sentiment you have, whatever you have at home, it'll work. And then what I did is I just added on to the bottom piece right here, and I added a couple of gems. And those gems you can find pretty much anywhere now. But I just added gems to match. And I would do the same thing on this one. I would add some gems that would match, and make it look as in water droplets or something in that manner. But the point is that I wanted to show you today is how to make this card, and it's so simple, as you can tell. So to recap, all you need is a piece size 4 1/2 by 11, fold it in half, then you cut out this little piece here, and you keep it to make your front part. And then you will cut out another piece to do your inside, which is 10 3 1/4, and fold it in half, and dress it up with whatever designer paper you want. And here you have it, a real quick and easy card that looks different than most cards. I hope you've enjoyed this little tutorial. This is not my original idea. I've picked this up off of a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator, which I thought was a wonderful idea, and I thought I'd share with the general population. So I hope you enjoy this, and I hope you'll give it a try, because it's really, really easy to make, and the recipient will enjoy it. So as always, I always say, have a good day and be happy. Life is too short. Bye-bye.